Take a picture, take a video. Hello guys, I am now 8 months old. And I can jump, jump, jump and clap my hands. I can clap my hands. I can jump all day. Hello Bobby, you're so big. Jump, 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 jump. Hi guys! Andito kami sa Angel Fields, Tagaytay. And kumain lang kami kanina tapos mag-feed ng mga animals. May mga animals dito para siyang farm. So andito yung mga duck, mga sheep, and turtles. Yan. Kaso nakakulong eh. Yan. Here's the ducks! Hello ducks! Tapos yung sheep kanina nasa labas. Hindi yan yung mga sheep kanina sa labas, mahal. Meron pang mga kalbo yun eh. Oh. Tapos meron pa kaming pangkain dito. Whee!
Nakatipid. Enjoy! Sinutok ako. Na. Let's go.
Wow!
Pwede hawakan ko, hindi siya nakakain.
One, two, three.
It's eating. Yes. Takaw din oh. Turtle.
Ang laki niya yun, tingnan mo.
Malaki pa yung isa.
Ha?
Ayaw sa gilid, oh.
Turtle.
100 years pa sila.
Wow, 100 years old. Wow, they are sleeping. Baby sleeping. Hi! Andito nga pala kami sa Daali sa Manila Bay. Ayala Mall. And birthday ni Mama today. 64 na siya. Yan, happy birthday, Ma.
Thank you.
And the Bobby! Where's the Bobby, Boo? Hello, Bobby! Hello, Bobby, Boo! I love you! I love you! 8 months pa rin si baby. And si Mon, ayan. Kuya. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. Yan ang sarap ng food. Oh, buso! Oh no! Oh no! You want to vlog? Hello guys! I am your friend, Brown James! Say hi guys! I am your friend, Brown James, and this is my portable fan. This is my portable fan. It's yummy. Everything is yummy. Everything. James. I jump in the bathtub, it's time to get all clean. I'll be the cleanest kid you've ever seen. The soap and the bubbles are really